Do you know that this simple herb can be turned into a powerful natural powder? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make lemongrass powder at home and how to use it for your hair, skin, and so many other benefits. So lemongrass is widely used in cooking, traditional remedy because of its fresh citric aroma and natural compound. Please make sure that you wash the lemongrass thoroughly to remove dirty. Then I will start by cutting it into smaller pieces. This will help it to dry fast. So when I'm done cutting the lemongrass, spray it out to dry completely. You can dry it indoor. It can only take about 3 or 4 days to dry. So when the lemongrass have dried, you're going to add it into a blender and blend into a fine powder. So when you're done blending, you can decide to sieve it. Then store this in airtight container. You can use this for many months. Lemongrass can be used to make herbal tea, which will help to aid digestion. You can use this for your hair treatment, add it as a seasoner to your food. You can use it for your skincare, hair, and help to remove buildup on your scalp. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.